Hi everyone. Our today's topic is related to the what India did for Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a very strategically important place, and because of that there are so many countries are investing. That also includes the China and the other countries around them. The Pakistan is the country, those who are disturbing that region. That is why it is very important for the other countries to contain the terrorism in the Afghanistan. Now the United States is leaving the Afghanistan and the putting those peoples in the disarray. So that is why the India is helping. India is actually helping the Afghanistan since its inception. So India is one of the largest stakeholder in the Afghanistan and have done plenty for the Afghanistan. As the President Trump once said that the India did not do the enough for the mountainous country. And he also put the blame on the USSR being failed as a nation to amend the terrorist infested nation. And he also said that the USSR broke apart because of their failed Afghan policy. By the way, the President Trump is very much wrong about making such kind of statements. Why the USSR broke apart is a very different issue. And the country being broken apart is not for an one reasons. There are so many reasons that came together. That is why that country broke apart. We will going to discuss about this breaking apart of the USSR later in our topic. The President Trump is now gone. Now it is the time for the President Joe Biden. The Trump started the peace deal with the Afghan Taliban in the year 2018. And according to the peace deal, the Biden abruptly removing the troops from the Afghanistan, that inviting the very ultra conservative Talibans to kill and punish the mango Afghans. But actually that means that they are welcoming the Talibans to kill the Afghans. That is very wrong. Though, so what we will call it? We will call it a failure or stupendous successful journey. According to me, it is a very much failure. They also failed in the Vietnam, they failed in Iraq, they failed in the several other countries and put those countries in utter disarray. At least we Indian did not use the knife to stab on the back of the Afghans. We helped them because we are culturally attached since the inception. To support this statement, I have shown the mirror to the others by describing that what kind of investment India did in Afghanistan. The thing is that the India actually helped the Afghanistan in a number of ways ever since the Taliban were pushed out of power in the year 2001. India built so many border infrastructure, but maybe we were wrong by not building the library over there according to the President Donald Trump. But we will going to count the complete projects that India completed this far. What are those projects? The projects number one is, as the India is a parliamentary democracy, that is why we were pretty interested to build the mandir of democracy called the parliament. And this parliament building also have a library. So in that sense, India did build a library over there in that country. So President Trump is very much wrong that we did not build a library over there. We rebuilt the Habiba schools in Kabul and provided it with the grants in age. We also helped the Afghanistan to build the Salma Dam. We also helped the Afghanistan to build the Salma Dam, now known as an Afghan-India Friendship Dam. It is an Harirud river at Chisti Shadid in the Herat province. We helped them to solve the problems related to the water, related to the agriculture, and the establishment of an electricity transmitter line from Phule Khurmi to the Kabul, we also built this electricity line. Reconstruction, reconstructing the Indian Indira Gandhi Institute for Child Health, Indira Gandhi Children's Hospitals in the Kabul, and supporting in many ways. We are also building the hospitals over there. We are building the libraries. We are building the transmission lines. We are building the dams. We are building the hospitals. All the things that actually needed to build the nations. We are building these nations. We are building these nations. So, how a president could tell that we did not build a library over there? Now, the sixth point is the financing. We are financing the establishment of the Afghan National Agricultural Science and the Technological University in Kandahar, assisting it in a various way. We are also building the agricultural university that is needed to upgrade the agriculture in a country. We are also constructing the climate power distribution in Kabul, building the cricket stadium in Kandahar. Also, build the cold storage warehouse in Kandahar, upgrading the telephone exchanges in some provinces, expanding the national television network, digging the tube wells in the some of the provinces, reportedly rehabilitating the 3 water reservoirs, establishing the 5 toilet and the sanitation complexes in the Kabul, just like India tried to clean their own cities by building the cities under the Swachh Bharat Yojana. India also tried to do the same to an terrorist infested country that is called Afghanistan. India did all these out of love for the Afghan peoples, and we also have our own strategic interest to keep out the terrorist infested Pakistan out of that region, and let not put the Afghanistan in the hands of the China, because if they come in their will and put them under their vicious debt trap, and that will going to put them under the vicious debt trap of the China. That is why we do not want the Afghanistan to go into the hands of the China. They will going to put them under the vicious trap, and they will going to take over the very strategic assets of the Afghanistan. So the India did so many infrastructure projects that will going to help this landlocked country. And those projects are that the India built the Zaranj Deliram road. For instance, it's strategically important not only for the Afghanistan but also for India, because this Zaranj and the Deliram road actually connects the Chabahar port. The Chabahar is in the Iran. India is trying to connect the Chabahar with the Khandala port and the Mumbai port. So it connects the border town of the Zaranj with the city of Delaram, thereby establishing the better communication between the Iranian border and the Afghanistan's most important transport avenue, the Ring Road. The Zaranj and the Deliram Road will become a part of the development in the infrastructure chain that will reach from the Iran's Chabahar that I have also already told you. That constructions of the road was financed, completed and practically protected by the India's institutions. So India is doing everything for the Afghanistan. India also supported the Satut Dam project, if realized, may result in stopping more Kabul River's water into the Afghanistan and reducing the amount of flowing downstream to the Pakistan. Satut Dam to keep the water in the Afghanistan and let's not that water flow into the Pakistan. And all of this is a tip of an iceberg, as the India has realized and is realizing the hundreds of smaller and the less visible and the harder to trace projects include the community development ones. The completed ones included the dozens of schools and the basic health clinics. The large projects were often realized in the areas of the capital or the safer northern and the western parts of the country, while the many of the small projects were earlier spread across the Pashtun borderlands, thereby directly challenging the Pakistan influences in the zone. Moreover, the constructions is the only part of the cooperation. New Delhi has also gifted hundreds of buses for the Kabul infrastructure system, 285 military vehicles for the Afghan National Army, Mi-25 and the Mi-35 chopper for the Air Force, 10 ambulances for the public hospitals in the 5 cities, Airbus aircraft for the national airlines, materials for the substations and the transmission line in the Faryab province, protein biscuits for the Afghan school children. India also sends the pulses using the Delhi Kabul transit corridor using the Chabahar port. India sends those wheat and the pulses using the Chabahar port from Kandala. India is also providing the funds to the Afghan Red Crescent Society program. India is also giving the free medicines and the medical consultations in its medical missions in the 5 Afghan cities. India also helped the public institutions with the technical advisors. India also helping the Afghan public prevents Afghan public servants to being trained, not only the public servants, also the policemen and the soldiers. India is giving hundreds of scholarships for the Afghan students, vocational courses for the Afghan students, youth, Afghan women, tele-education courses. New Delhi even lets the Afghan national team to use an Indian stadium as its home ground. India is helping the Afghan national cricket team to play in their own grounds. In our conclusive notes, we will end up with an questions. Before that, I think we now do not need to explain that the US's government what India did for the Afghanistan after explaining in this elaborative way. So India did plenty for the Afghanistan that everyone knows in that region. So the questions looks like that: why India not looks like the Chinese debt shark? Like the China giving the loan to the other countries, putting them under the debt trap, and the taking away their strategically important ports and the other things. But India is not behaving the way the China is behaving. You can write me the answer to my email address, that is tuhin.power.academy@gmail.com. So this is the end of the topic. In our next topic, we will also discuss about the Afghanistan, and that is for end for today. Thank you very much.